Dilip Sanghvi, the billionaire chief of India's top drug maker Sun Pharma, is gearing up to take on Big Pharma in a rare and exclusive interaction with ETNA's Ashwin Mohan. Sanghvi said that he is looking at making big-ticket acquisitions to gain a stronger foothold in the US market.
We started with psychiatry, and that taught us how to sell product to specialists, and that's the area that we focused on. And over a period of time, we focused on chronic diseases, aging-related diseases. And over last 30 years, these businesses have grown much faster than the other parts of the pharma industry. So that allowed us to continue to grow faster than the industry.
So in the near term, what could be the major growth drivers for pharma? Where do you see growth coming from? Is it the emerging markets, India, overseas? Could you point out some of the most significant markets for you?
No, I think we look at our business on broadly three buckets. India, regulated markets of US and Europe, and emerging markets where we sell branded prescription product or branded generics. And we try and track our business on all three businesses in such a way that we grow faster than industry. And we continuously monitor our growth on each of these business segments.
So as someone who's heading India's top pharma company, how do you respond to the current uncertainty in the regulation as far as FDI and pharma is concerned? Are you looking forward to any sort of clarity on that front from the government?
No, I think there is a fair degree of clarity, and US FDA has been consistently maintaining over last 2 years that quality of product, safety of patient is an important consideration. And after the problems that the patients in the US faced with low molecular weight heparin, which led to death of many patients, FDA has set up offices in India and in China with a view to improve the oversight over international producers, so that it is more in line with the kind of oversight that facilities in the US have.
There seems to be a fair bit of confusion on the policy front because different ministries have different thoughts. As a person who's heading India's top pharma company, what is your expectations from the government as far as policy on FDI and pharma is concerned?
No, I think competition in India would keep prices under control all the time. So I believe that investment by foreign companies, either in greenfield, brownfield, or even through acquisition, should be looked at favorably.
So talking about acquisitions, Sun Pharma's progress in the past has been linked with its tremendous growth as far as overseas markets are concerned. Is Sun looking at any overseas acquisitions, and if yes, could you point out a few geographies which interest you?
No, we've consistently maintained that we are focused on the US as a market because even though it's a large market for us, we are a very small player in the US, and our focus is to become a more meaningful player both with organic growth and also potentially looking at acquisition in the US.
All right. So now, R&D is the heart and soul of every pharma company. Could you point out what kind of investments you're looking at as far as R&D is concerned, because that is critical for every pharma company?
Sure. So we invest around 700 to 800 crore rupees every year on R&D, and that number has been going up. Our focus is now to increase the percentage spend on R&D, because I agree that our success going forward will be linked with our success in research.